To create a store credit or gift card, first add an item to the basket. If the customer has brought a product for your trade and wants store credit for it, click on the Trade in All button. Then select the gift card payment method. On the mini screen that opens, first enter the customer's phone number or email address. If payment method is gift card, you do not need to enter money paid. Finally, enter your Authy code and click Confirm and then Done. If the customer comes to the store and says they have store credit, then you should get the receipt ID, phone, or email from them. To do this, you can type one of these information in the search field on the Invoice tab. When you type one of these and search for it, the related invoice will be displayed. Copy the gift code here. In the next sales process, after adding the products that the customer wants, paste this gift code into the Apply Gift Code field. The related gift card will be automatically added to the basket.